after society. Let's get it. Let's go. Hey, everybody. Today is the day. The pre-launch registration is open for Booked and Paid. It is open to you. You can either be a community member for $5 a month, or you can join the e-course and learn all of the things and be on the Zoom calls and in the chats and just learn all of the things, network and share ideas with other people. There are going to be so many people, from photographers, filmmakers, makeup artists, models, playwrights, directors, comedians. If you have a skill or a talent, or you're just knowledgeable in anything, you need to learn how to package all of that up and treat yourself like a business, because you are the business. Somebody out here needs the knowledge that you have, needs your skills, needs whatever services that you're trying to provide. All you need to do is learn how to package it up and get sales digitally, right? So the Book to Pay community is all about packaging yourself up like a business and learn how to make digital products, guides, checklists, ebooks. And with Stand Store, you're able to make a digital product with just videos. If you do something where you want to do videos like this, you can create your Stand Store and just upload videos, and that could be an e-course or a digital product. It doesn't necessarily have to be a PDF or a guide or a checklist or anything like that. But you do want to create a valuable freebie for your clients and your customers to receive their email so that you can build your email list. And all of this we talk about within the community. Because listen, y'all remember the TikTok shutdown, right? Yeah, it was shut down. So if TikTok shuts down one day and Facebook and Instagram, say they all shut down in the same day, God forbid. If they did, you would still be able to get in contact with all of your clients or students via email, because you have built your email list. That is like super key, super key, super key, because you cannot depend on these social media platforms. You just can't. And also, email marketing is like 65% of your sales. I'm just saying, with Stand Store, you can automate your emails, send them out, set them up for 3 days from now, 2 weeks from now, next week at 5 o'clock, tomorrow at 2. Set it up today. It goes out automatically. Like, it's done. Stand Store is the best. And this video is not sponsored by Stand Store. Eventually, yes, because the goal in 2025 for me, and I really don't like sharing my goals, but I'm going to share them with you because I love y'all. The goal is to receive a platinum plaque for making $100,000. It's possible. I've seen so many people do it. I follow them. I've learned from them. And now look at me. I've created my course, and I hope that you will join. You guys got to join before March 1st to get the discount. It's going to be great. It is going to be great. There will be a kickoff call this Saturday, March 1st at 1 p.m. It'll be real quick, just to introduce everybody, put a face to the name, because in the community you can chat, introduce yourself or whatever. But on the call on Saturday, it's just like a little meet and greet. Everybody can see what each other look like. Follow my Instagram, follow me, subscribe to my YouTube, all that good stuff. Ain't gonna keep you long, okay? And then every first Wednesday of every month, we will have the community call and talk about the modules that are dropped. And we will also have like calls in between, because I want to do like special guests to come on and talk about what they specialize in, so that we can learn from them. Like, I have a couple of casting directors. I do casting too, but I ain't super up here, but I have done some casting. So I have some casting directors and just other people that want to come on and talk about like freelancing and other services. It's going to be so good, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. For my new subscribers, welcome. I am C the actress, digital marketer, and a mom of 3. Yes, a mom of 3. It's crazy, right? I keeps it real over here. I share what's going on in my life, pretty, ugly, because that's just what it is. Life be life. And as long as I'm trying to grow and get better and learn how to deal with the sudden changes and the struggles, if I can share what I went through to help someone else, then that's the key. That's the goal. I've done my deed, and that's what I want this channel to be about, is to teach you what I know and to package it up so that you don't make the same mistakes that I have made, so that it can be seamless. This is a faith-based channel over here. We don't play with God, because God don't play with us. Don't get it twisted, okay? I might slip up and say a curse word here and there. I'm still in transformation, okay? Work with me. Bear with me, okay? But I just wanted to remind you guys that Booked and Paid is officially open. Pre-registration. You can register. All the links are down in the description below. Please follow my Instagram, my TikTok, My Facebook is kind of boring. Like, your family be over there. I don't really post too much over there. I post mostly everything on TikTok and Instagram. And let me share my favorite part of Booked and Paid. Booked and Paid has an affiliate program. Whether you take the e-course or you just join as a community member, you are able to get your own personal affiliate link. And if you share it and someone purchases the course, you will earn $50 every time. It's evergreen. It's not going anywhere. You can share the link in your bios. You can share it on your stories. You can share at events that you're going to with your family and friends, or anybody that you feel like would benefit from the community. Anybody that wants to learn social media, and if they have a skill or a talent or their day job, are they a realtor? Are they a mom that has twins like me? Do you meal prep for your kids? Are you a makeup artist? Like, just learning how to make that digital product, package it up, create a stand store, put it on there. I walk you through all of the steps, step by step. I will be sharing my screen during the community calls. There are videos on the modules, step by step. There'll be links that take you straight to certain websites. I also have a workbook that you can download that will keep track of your social media planning, your goals for the day, daily goals, weekly goals, your reflection on the scripture that's in the module, so you can, get connected, right? Because we want to consult with God with whatever it is that we're trying to do. You want to make sure that it's aligned with his purpose for your life. And that's what I feel like the Booked and Paid community is different from other courses, because I'm teaching you what I know about social media and all that. And it's going to continue to evolve. As I learn new things, I'm throwing it in a module. But at the same time, we all have that gift inside of us. We just need to activate it. It's already there. Like, what's your special skill? You got it. That one thing that people always ask you about, can you do this? Can you help me with this? It is within you. You just need to activate it. And you should be getting paid for your talent, for your knowledge, for your skill. Whatever it is, I promise you, it can be sold. I'm going to be sharing freelance websites where you can package yourself up, put your services on there, create a pricing sheet, learn how to set your rates. Maybe you've never done this before. There's a downloadable document that you can edit right in Canva. It's already a pricing sheet. You just plug and play and put in what price for what service. And I teach you how to set your prices, do your research, look around and see who's in your niche, who's doing the same thing. And if they're not, girl, you better price your rates for however you want, for how much value you feel like you are giving them and how well your product is created. You set your own price, honey. And that's the glory about all of this. Like, it's crazy. There's so much to learn. So much to learn, you guys. I created this because I was tired of being broke, like really living paycheck to paycheck. And I'm still learning and developing through this whole process. I was so nervous today hitting that button, sending that reel out. I was so nervous today, and sending the first email blast out to everybody on my email list, letting them know that the pre-registration was open. Don't nobody talk about the nerves, okay? When you ready to just go ahead and put that course out, like, you're confident, you know all of the links work. I kept testing everything to make sure everything was working, child. I had no business doing that. Like, I was just nervous that something wasn't going to go right. And even if it did, I had to remind myself that the world is not going to end. It can be fixed, and it's a lesson learned. So if the Booked and Paid community is somewhere where you feel like you need to be, because we're going to have a time. We're going to have a time in there. Then go ahead and click the links in the description. There is a free guide if you want more information. You can download the free guide, look at it, read it over, consult, pray over it. And you have all week to decide if you want to join at the pre-registration rate. And remember, if you don't want to take the e-course, you can just join as a community member at $5 a month and still be on the community calls, get email updates. You'll still be able to chat with us, and you'll still be able to get your affiliate link and earn your commission of $50 every time someone else purchases the course from your link. Like, that is golden. And that's just one of the many streams of income that I provide for the community. Like, I ain't never heard of that. I ain't never heard of joining a community and being able to get my own affiliate link and earn $50. I've heard of 3%, 5%, 7, maybe 8, but 50? I ain't never heard of it. There's benefits for everybody. I'm super excited. I hope to see you on the inside. I just wanted to come on here tonight and give y'all, just a little quick little update. I'm super excited. Check the links in the description. Follow me on Instagram, Feel free to share the YouTube channel. I am trying to grow. Like the video, please. Like, so that I can be pushed out and I can grow. Comment down below. I want to hear from you. If you're a freelancer, if you're a creative, if you're an actress or an aspiring actress, I do one-on-one coaching. Like, y'all, click the links. Like, go get nosy down in the description, because I do all of the things. But if you are one of those people, this is where you want to be. Okay, I promise you it's gonna be a good time. No fluff, and we ain't scamming people over here. I just want you to be great, because I have learned this thing by myself, and it was sad and it was lonely. So I created this community so that we can do it all together, and ain't nobody feeling like they're by themselves. And it holds everybody accountable, right? Like, you know that the calls are coming, you know that the module just dropped. You got to do the workbook. Like, it's things that you got to do before you hop on that call, right? And it's exciting. It's so lit. 2025 is not the year to sit on your talents, your skills, your knowledge. It's not the time. You should be packaging that up and getting paid for it. That's what 2025 is all about. Don't be afraid to step into that discomfort, that uncomfortable space. I know. That's when we grow the most, is when we are uncomfortable. In comfortability, like, I don't want to be comfortable. Comfortable doesn't allow me to grow. I'm comfortable. I just sit there in the same space. I'm good. I don't want to move. I don't want to do nothing. I'm comfortable. Nah. Let me be uncomfortable. And when you start doing that, the more you sit in your uncomfortability and you see yourself growing and you keep pushing yourself up to another level, and you keep looking behind you like, dang, that's where I started. This is where I'm at now. Like, bring on the uncomfortability. I'll take it. Ultimately, when you realize that you are not in control, it is all God. You cannot control the uncontrollable. You just can't. So when you accept discomfort and realize that God is in control, God's got me, you're gonna, not that you're gonna love to sit in discomfort, but you will be more willing to accept it and be like, okay, I'm going to learn something from this discomfort, this uncomfortable space. Uncomfortable? Yeah. This space, I'm going to learn something. I'm going to grow in some way, shape, or form. I hope to see you on the inside of Booked and Paid. Go ahead, get nosy, click the links in the description, share the YouTube channel, like, because I like that. I like when you like. So like. I hope that you're still watching. Just remember that you got the sauce, and can't nobody duplicate your sauce. We can all be doing the same thing, but we all got our own sauce. So I'm going to do it my way. You're going to do it your way. And there's plenty of room for everybody to eat. And I'm going to leave y'all with that. Join us in Booked and Paid. I'll see you on the inside. Bye.